Hi, I'm Marta and this is NotEnoughTECH, and this is a really quick video about the weatherproofing the doorbell, the smart doorbell from Xiaomi, and this is Video Doorbell with FaceAI, and I've talked about it previously. You'll be able to check the video out somewhere there. Now, the biggest problem I had with this is really intended for not indoor use as such, but it's not properly weather tight, so you don't want this to be exposed to rain. Now, I have a bit of a roof outside, which probably would have been fine, but I want to make sure that the doorbell will survive all conditions, so what I've done is created a 3D printed lip around to secure it from the water ingress. And this is the first design. As you can see, it slots into the doorbell like this, fits really nice and tight, and it creates additional lip. Now the problem with this design is that once you affix it to a door, whether using a screw attachments on or the tape, there's no way to change the batteries without destroying the cover. So yeah, that's a misplay on my part, and that was actually first 3D print I did with trying to fix something with the 3D printer. So yeah, we all learn. And that leads me to a second iteration of the design, which is like a half shelf. So that's where you can just slid it in, attach it to a door, and you can still change the batteries on the device. Now there's a bit of a roof in here protecting from the water ingress, and there is a lip in the back. I also made a cutout with a knife to decrease the amount of tape to accommodate for the lip and for the bar, straightening the design of this lip. So I think it looks pretty neat. It doesn't really look like something extra, which means I'm gonna mount it in a door, on the door in a second, and yeah, I'll show you a final effect. So if you're interested in that, links for the STL file and everything is going to be included in the write-up down in the description below. So let's go to the door and fix this. So what you need is a straight edge and mark the line, so the doorbell would be pretty straight. Probably here somewhere on the and then we'll have to be very careful, so we will stick in anchor place like this. That way I know the design is not going to snap. Right, nice and flush, and if I did everything correctly, my doorbell should fit. The last thing, security screw, and there's a screwdriver which is attached to the set. So one of the reasons I put it here, because it can actually detect the movement, so whenever someone's knocking on a door, it should detect that as well. So I've got the security screw out. Okay, the screw is in. Go to live view again. That's better. Okay, works. NotEnoughTECH approved. Will it hold against the weather? Well, England is probably one of the wettest countries to find out, and since it's slightly sheltered, it should do a good job. Now, the doorbell's gonna be there for about a week before I'm gonna pass my final statement in the final review. So if you're interested in that, just follow me on social media or follow this YouTube channel, and I'll share my thoughts soon. Now, if you already decided you want a piece of tech like this, there is a link in the description of this video, and you can click on it and support NotEnoughTECH in the process. Now, for now, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.